We'll start by selecting the Deburr 3-axis toolpath from the 3D group on the Toolpaths tab. Similar to its 5-axis counterpart, once we select a supported tool, such as this 10mm ball nose, we'll select the entire part for our machining geometry. The Deburr 3-axis toolpath simplifies the deburring process through automatic edge detection. And since we have selected the entire body to deburr, let's select these holes as excluded edges, as we'll add those chamfers as part of a separate drilling process. With our edge shape and other parameters OK as is, let's move on to tool axis control. For our tool axis, notice we're set to 3-axis. And for our other settings, let's ensure our height is set to user-defined at a value of 75, and we'll click OK. Now, let's simulate this Deburr 3-axis toolpath and see how it looks on our finished part. As we see, we have nice edge breaks all around the part. As you can imagine, this toolpath greatly simplifies your 3-axis deburring needs. It's important to note that the Deburr 3-axis toolpath is suitable for both 3 and 3+2-axis strategies, and is available as an add-on to Mill, Mill 3D, Router, and Router 3D customers.